Mines and Money Award 2019 in London here, ladies and gentlemen. With me here is now the winner of the large cap deal of the year for mining, and Graham Shuttleworth, who is from Barrick Gold. Congratulations on that.
Thank you very much.
Large cap deal of the year. What have you done as Barrick?
What
have you taken?
We did a transaction with Newmont, who's actually one of our competitors, but we got together and did a joint venture on our mines in Nevada. And this is something that people have looked at for many decades, but have never been able to get it together. And this year, after, as I say, many years, we were able to get together and agree a deal which has effectively seen us combine our assets into a joint venture. And really, it's a win-win-win for both shareholders and all the stakeholders, because we can exploit these fantastic reserves better together.
Great. And what have you made up now after that, as you said, like several years that you finally combine the forces? I mean, you guys are the largest gold producers in the world, right? And so what have you made up now? Is it like, was it like a pressure out of the industry, or did you say, hey, finally this makes really sense. We save so much money, we have so much synergies to lift?
Well, there were a few moving parts, working in our favor. But at the end of the day, that's what it boiled down to. It boiled down to a question of shareholders encouraging the two parties to get together and unlock these values, these synergies, which everybody was aware were there for the taking, but it needed a catalyst. And this year was the year where we could actually get it done.
Fantastic. How would you rate, as you are largest gold producer in the world, how would you rate the gold markets altogether? I mean, I saw how can I say it, like a diagram for the gold production of the next 5 years, falling worldwide by 20%. Is that something you would say yes, absolutely, or do you think no, maybe a little bit too pessimistic?
No, I think that's a reality, and that's a good thing and a bad thing. In one sense, obviously, if you've got declining production, you've got declining supply into your market, that bodes well for the underlying commodity price. So for those people that have got long life, large quality, large reserves, so you're sitting on reserves and you've got a rising gold price environment, that's a good dynamic. The second dynamic is, as an industry, we need to make sure that we continue to explore and that we can continue to replace the reserves that we're mining now. Otherwise, we are not going to be sustainable. Yeah, so exploration becomes a key driver for us, and will be a key driver for us.
Fantastic. I would 100% sign that. But let's go a little bit further. Let's talk about now, let's say, profits and what you do with the profits. I understand growth is one thing, exploration is one thing, but what is your take on dividends in the future, and even higher dividends out of the mining industry?
I think as a business, we believe dividends are very important as a discipline, because at the end of the day, we're in it to make money for our shareholders as well as for the benefit of all of our stakeholders. But to be sustainable, you need to be profitable. And if you're profitable, then you can pay dividends. So that has to be a key focus and a key driver. That said, we need to continue to invest in our future. Otherwise, we will hit the wall. So there's a balance between investing in exploration, investing in new projects, giving returns to your shareholders, but making sure that you can continue to do so in the future.
Fantastic. Great. Thank you very much. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
And I would say, keep it going. And we want to see some good results over the combination of your mines.
Thank you. Well, we're looking forward to that too.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Cheers, bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, there was Graham Shuttleworth from Barrick Gold, and he was the winner of the Large Cap Mining Award here. Thanks, and bye-bye from London.